What is up, guys? This is Glenn, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I'm still supposed to upload these videos that were actually coming out a little later. But today we're going to be doing a little test comparison. Why does everything look so... I don't know what it is. It looks kind of dark right now, but sorry about that. So we're taking a Gibson Les Paul Special SL, which stands for Sans Lacquer. And we're putting it on different settings. So we're going to test an overdrive setting, so like heavy distorted, and clean, which is like, you know, very peaceful, like that. I didn't even think I could make up that chord. But next guitar, we're taking a Squier Fender Stratocaster, doing the same thing with it. And we're going to see how much of a difference there is. Alright, so let's get on to the first guitar here. And this is my Gibson Sans Lacquer Les Paul. And we're going to play like a little riff I'll make up. Sounds pretty heavy, doesn't it? Now let's go to the Fender. Alright, so here we have my Fender, which is on a full bridge pickup, humbucker, and on overdrive, so distorted. Now we're going to play that same riff, or I forgot how to play it, so I'll just play some. Now, just judging here, I think there was a bit of a difference between the two. That one, this one here, I got mixed up there. This is a Strat, so it's more of like a country guitar, or some kind of blues, I guess, whatever. So it's got a more twangier sound in this pickup. These are stock Fender pickups, nothing's been swapped. Now on the other hand, with the Gibson, it has one stock neck pickup, which is a humbucker, and a Seymour Duncan bridge humbucker, or I should say they're both humbuckers. The neck humbucker is stock, and the bridge humbucker is Seymour Duncan, so it's not. And this one's a lot more twangier. Still sounds kind of heavy, but it's not as heavy as the Gibson. Now the Gibson gets a lot more drive because the humbuckers give it a lot more drive and energy. Now we're going to be switching over to clean settings here. Alright, so we're back, and we're going to tune this real quick, so hold on a second. Alright, so what we're going to do here for this little test, we're going to clean setting on this. We're going to take all three of these. So, the pickup switch, which, hold on, let me turn down both volumes. So what this is, you got treble, you got middle, and you've got rhythm. Now we're going to start with rhythm on the clean setting, then we'll switch to middle, then we'll switch to treble, and we'll see how the cleanness gets. So we'll start with rhythm. Oh crap, I forgot how to play that. You have to turn this one up to get the rhythm sound. Alright, so next pickup, which is middle, so let's play that. And we're going to be going to treble, so... You get a bit of a sound change when you go from each pickup. It's, yeah, so it's got a bit of a difference. Now we'll switch to the Fender. Alright, so we're back here. And we're gonna switch. This has a five-way pickup switch. So we're gonna check out the neck, I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna play that real quick. Next pickup, which is just the, I don't know which this transition to, so I'm just gonna call it second switch. So here we go. Alright, now we're going to do the third one. We're going to play a chord here. Show you what it sounds like. Alright, now we're on the fourth one. Alright, now finally we're at the bridge pickup. Tune. I'm sorry. But yeah, we tested the clean settings on each one and distorted settings. So I'd say the winner for distortion would have to be the Gibson Les Paul, just because it has a lot more drive and energy when you're on a clean setting. And the Fender, that did somewhat. If you want to do like blues rock, that's perfectly fine for that. And yeah. If you want a nice clean tone, here you go. This is perfect for you. Now, Gibson, maybe not so much. I mean, it gets clean tone, yes. But not all the time. That's the thing. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. This is not like any instructional video. People became like, oh, should I buy a Fender or a Gibson? Don't look at me for that question. It's your choice. And just wanted to show this video, show you differences, so... Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.